In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick introduction to NAV channels. So to get context, we are talking here about sodium channels. That's what NAV channels are, and there are two types of sodium channel. There's voltage gated and there are epithelial, otherwise known as ENECs, epithelial sodium channels. So these are encoded by a family of genes, NAV 1.1, 1.2, all the way to 1.9. I'll come back to those in just a minute. Epithelial channels, they are not voltage gated. They usually occur in epithelia at the apex, and usually what happens is that sodium is pumped out by the sodium-potassium pump, potassium in, and that drives an influx of sodium, and we usually see this places like the kidney where we're reabsorbing sodium. So we're not interested in those, we're interested in these. So as I say, these are NAV, the NAV1 family of sodium channels are voltage gated. They're the ones you see in your action potentials and in other places. Their structure is quite interesting. So if I draw now a nice bilayer, they have actually quite big. So they have 4 domains, each of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transmembrane domains. So and then this bit here between 5 and 6 is a pore forming one. And then you have the same thing repeated again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of those has the same structure. Trying to draw this as quickly as I can. So what you've got is basically something very much like a voltage gated potassium channel repeated 4 times. So this whole thing is basically, it's a bit like if you took 4 potassium channels. Remember, potassium channels, they're tetrameric, 4 separate subunits. If you join the sodium is a bit like 4 of these joined together. So that's why you've got 4 here. And all this here makes 1 alpha subunit, and each NAV member of the NAV family, the gene family, the NAV 1.2 gene, for example, encodes one of these. And usually the sodium channel is alpha and an accessory beta subunit together.